All right, this is a video on how to load the paper properly in your Ricoh copier if you have a large capacity tray, commonly referred to as an LCT. If you do, it will have 3 trays on it, and the bottom drawer will look like that. Now, if you don't have a large capacity tray, it'll look like this, and you'll have 2 extra trays. But what we have problems with is SC codes, SC 500s. I think it gives you a particular SC 501 or something to that effect. I can't remember off the top of my head, but it's because the customer has loaded the paper improperly. And when you pull these paper trays out, they'll come out like this. And what happens is people will try to load the paper up right here in the tray like that. And then they'll just push it in, and then it will work that way. Just, it'll work that way sometimes, but more often than not, the paper is not setting down in there properly. So what you want to do when you're loading paper in these machines is you'll want to pull this paper tray out, and then you'll take this and you'll push that in, and then you'll take your paper and you'll stick it in here on this side like so. And then when you push this paper tray in, what's going to happen is this little arm right here, this little thing right here, is going to push the paper over into that tray. And then that tray is going to lift up. Now, I don't have this machine going, it's just a parts machine. But when you push this in, what you'll hear is ying, 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 and it's pushing the paper over. And then once everything comes to a stop, then you can pull this tray back out. This one will stay in the machine. This paper will be already over on this side, and you'll see it looking like this. Now you can load up all the way to the top of those arrows right there, load up 2 reams, and when you push this back in, nothing's going to happen, but when that side runs out, now it will push the paper over. And the reason why I tell people to do it this way is because a lot of times the paper will be over here, and they'll see it's running low. This will be over to the right, and then they'll put paper in behind this right here, and then the LCT is not going to function properly. So bottom line, always load your paper on that side. That's it. Always load it on this side. Push this in, let the machine push it over, and then that way you'll never have any problems with that LCT.